So the first question was that when is a grown up likely to say this? Jyotin, speak loudly. What are you saying? It leads to choking. Okay, fine. So it leads to choking. Yes. So second question was, when are you likely to be told this? Say thank you. So whenever someone helps us or gives us gift, okay, or does a favor for us, so our elders always tell us to say thank you. Okay. So this was the second one. Then third one, I think we were discussing third one. So I told Karthik to start the answer number 3. First question, third part. So please better start.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, adults say that no one thinks you are funny when we tell a joke to them. They say this line because they are busy in their work, and at that time we tell joke to them, and they think that they are disturbing us in our work, and they don't like it at all. So they
Exactly.
say this.
So when we crack a joke to attract the attention of our elders, they say this line that this is not funny at all. Okay, no one thinks you are funny. So when a child tries to attract the attention, जब वो attention लेता है ना अपने elders की, तो he or she just does a weird things. ठीक है, वो joke crack करने की कोशिश करता है. So please write down एक hint लिख लो छोटा सा, that when children try to attract attention of their elders and they crack jokes sometime, then elders often say this thing that no one thinks you are funny. This is question number 1, third part. When children try to attract attention of their elders by cracking jokes and by doing weird things or strange things, they generally say this thing. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next question is second question. Beta, have you done offline students? Any problem? थोड़ा सा hint लिख लो. Have you written? Okay. The last 2 lines of the poem are prohibitions or instructions. What is the adult now asking the child to do? Do you think the poet is suggesting that this is unreasonable? So last 2 lines, according to me, this is unreasonable. मेरे according भी unreasonable है. Why? Because the whole life our elders teach us what to do and what not to do. Okay? But and in the end, they just say this thing that you must be independent and take your decision yourself. This is unreasonable. They should try to train their children like this, that they should be independent. Okay? By saying this, one cannot become independent. So online and offline students, tell me your answer if anything is in your mind. Second question. Second question, last 2 lines पहले explain कर दो. Then why do you think this is unreasonable? ये क्यों?
मैम ये जो लाइन लिखी हुई है क्वेश्चन में कि व्हाई डू यू थिंक इट इज अनरीजनेबल वाली, मैम अगर हम इसमें अनरीजनेबल चूज करते तो ये लाइन गलत प्रूव होंगी कि सही प्रूव होंगी?
If you are writing this is unreasonable, ये बोल रहे हो आप?
यस मैम.
तो बेटा ये जो 2 lines है लास्ट वाली वो गलत प्रूव हो जाएंगी. That means you don't agree with it.
ओके मैम.
So please write down first of all, explain last 2 lines. कौन explain करेगा? Anyone please. Offline students first. Last 2 lines. Hmm. 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 Yes. Yes. So first, parents and elders make us dependent. Okay? They tell us each and everything that we should do, what we should do and what we should not do. But when later on, when we ask their help, ask for their help, they often say this thing that you must be independent. You should take your decision yourself. So according to me, this is unreasonable because they should train their children like this from the beginning. Okay? From the beginning, they should try to train their children to be independent, not after the whole life they should say that you should be independent. Now from the online students, please unmute one by one and let me know the second answer.
Ma'am,
Can I?
Yes, Savya. May I? Yes. You may.
Okay. I think this is unreasonable because the parents should teach them how to become independent from their childhood. If the meaning of these two lines is that when the poet needs the help of their parents, they conclude that you need to be independent.
Okay. So you can start your question answer like this. In the last two lines, okay? In the last two lines, our parents or elders ask us to be independent, okay? So write down please. In the last two lines, our parents or grown-ups, okay? They tell us to be independent, okay? Or they instruct us to be independent, okay? So they want us to take our decision ourselves. So they tell us to take decisions independently, okay? So पहले अब last two lines को explain करोगे. In the last two lines are grown up, want us to be independent. They want that their children must take their decisions themselves. ठीक है? पहले आप second last two lines explain कर दो.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Totally unreasonable. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, we have to explain two lines, then we have to tell our opinion that it is okay, ma'am.
So in the last two lines, पहले आपने explain कर देना है that what is the meaning of last two lines. Then I think, ठीक है? I think this is totally unreasonable. Then again explanation. That from
Excuse
the
me, ma'am.
beginning, they don't train their children to be independent, and then later on they expect us to take decision independently. Yes, beta, who's asking?
Ma'am, Karthik.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, when we have to write this line in the last two line, in this we have to write that our elders are telling us or the poet elder is telling us.
बेटा our elders क्योंकि उसने general बात की है, ठीक है? वो उसको लगता है कि
Okay, ma'am.
सब children के grown ups ऐसे ही होते हैं, तो you can simply write grown ups, ठीक है? Our grown ups.
Ma'am, may I speak the answer?
Okay, after Harmeet, Karthik, you can speak. Yes, Harmeet.
Okay.
In the last two lines, the poet is saying that the adults keep advising the child about what he should do or not, but in and the when we the adult expect the child to make decisions for himself. After I think this is unreasonable because
Okay, I think, okay, fine. So next is Karthik, then Ipsa. I think this is totally unreasonable. Then please make your lines and tell me. One student I want from all of you. Yes, Peter. Karthik.
In the last two lines, our elders are telling us that now you are grown up and you need to become independent so that you can take your decisions yourself. I think it is reasonable because our parents are trying to make independent so that in life, when we face any problem, we can solve it easily and we do not need help of them as they will not be forever in our life.
Okay, fine. If you think that this is reasonable, you can write down that I think this is reasonable. They want their children to be independent. That's why they give us instruction to be independent and to achieve something in life. So this is your opinion. If you want to write unreasonable, what I think, ठीक है, मुझे लगता है कि unreasonable है. शुरू से बच्चे को independent बनाना चाहिए. According to me, what mothers and parents do, they generally help their child in each and every way. ठीक है? In fact, notebook complete करवाने तक, what do parents do? They just help their children a lot. उससे वो क्या होता है, वो totally dependent हो जाते हैं. और when they go to their college, ठीक है, then parents expect that they should be independent. So that is not possible. क्योंकि अब उनको शुरू से आदत पड़ी हुई dependent होने की, right? But this is also possible. It depends on the person. अगर आपके घर में ऐसा एटमोस्फेयर है कि आप इंडिपेंडेंट अभी से हो, then you can write down that this is reasonable. Okay, because our
Ma'am,
parents
but
want us to become independent. Yes, beta, who's speaking?
yes, ma'am, but in the poem they are also telling from beginning that you should do this and this. They are pointing him that you should not do this and you should do this.
हाँ जी बेटा, शुरू से वो हमें इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे रहे हैं ना, बट लास्ट में जाके वो कह रहे हैं कि जो आपका मन करता है वो करो. सो दैट्स वाई
Okay,
मुझे ये थोड़ा अनरीजनेबल लगा कि या तो शुरू से ही हमें अपने आप सोचने दे कि हम क्या करना चाहते हैं, ठीक है, बट शुरू से वो हमें ईच एंड एवरी चीज बता रहे हैं कि यू शुड डू दिस और दैट, बट इन द एंड दे आर सेइंग दैट यू शुड बी इंडिपेंडेंट. तो पहले हमें इंडिपेंडेंटली सोचने देते हैं शुरू से ही, ठीक है. So that's why I'm saying this is unreasonable, but you can write this also कि ये reasonable है, because they are our well wishers, वो हमारे well wishers हैं, and they want us to become independent. That's why they are saying this thing. Okay. So last one is IPSA. Then next
Excuse me,
question,
ma'am.
please. Next
Ma'am,
question.
may I
Yes,
speak?
ma'am.
IPSA, please. Okay, IPSA. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. First, the parents were teaching their children how to become a responsible person, but at last, the parents is asking their children to do work on your own as they wanted that their children be a responsible and honest citizen. In last two lines, the parents wanted their children to become independent, and I think it's I think it's reasonable because the parents expecting that their children would take the decisions on their own and become bold and confident, but not from inner side but also from outer side.
Okay, fine. Okay, well done. So out of you,
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
offline students, किनको लगता है कि ये पेरेंट्स ठीक करते हैं लास्ट टू लाइंस में, किनको लगता है कि ये नहीं ठीक कर रहे हैं? ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज. Argun, what do you think? You think this is unreasonable? पेरेंट्स को ये लाइन नहीं बोलनी चाहिए? Why so? हाँ. Okay. From the beginning, they are not training their children to be independent, but later they say this thing. Okay, Sarang. Simply tell me reasonable or unreasonable. Okay. Okay, fine. So according to Sarang, this is reasonable because they are our well-wishers and they want to teach us to be independent. Jyotin, what do you think? Unreasonable? Okay. Exactly. Yes. Okay. Ananya, what do you think? Okay. Okay, they should teach their children from the beginning how to take decisions themselves. Okay, yes, Rajaryan and Kasak. Then we'll move to the next answer. Please think about question number 3, everyone. I will ask each and every student. Yes, Rajaryan. Is this unreasonable or reasonable? ये बात उनकी सही है या नहीं सही है? Then suddenly they say that you should be independent. Okay, fine. Kasak. थोड़ा सा मास्क 1 मिनट के लिए नीचे कर दो. This is unreasonable. Reason? अच्छा ठीक है, अभी ना मैं रिसेस में मैं कोई आंसर आपने सुनाना है, ठीक है, नोटबुक पे लिख लो. ओके. So the next question is third. Why do you think grown-ups say the kind of things mentioned in the poem? Is it important that they teach children good manners and how to behave in public? तो आपको लगता है कि ये जो सारी चीजें कहते हैं this is right? ये जो कहते हैं don't drag your feet, don't pick your nose, okay, say thank you, say please, आपको लगता है ये important चीजें हैं? Yes, Arvind. Yes. हाँ बिल्कुल. Okay. Yes, exactly. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, fine. Well done. Yes, from this side, beta. Saksham and Samarth. Third answer. Beta, please speak up. Saksham, Samarth. I'm not able to hear you. Yes, yes. Now speak.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think that it is important as these all make us a perfect person in our life, and this will give a good impression of us to other people.
Okay. Yes, exactly, beta. Good manners. They want to teach us good manners. Okay. They want that we should have good impressions on others. Okay. They want that we should have good impression on others. Okay. And there are well wishers. आप इसमें ये line भी add कर सकते हो. They don't want their children to commit any mistake. ठीक है. They don't want their children to commit any mistake. They don't want their children to commit any mistake in life. They are very experienced and then they try to guide us. ठीक है. They are very experienced. उनको बहुत experience होता है, right? They are very experienced and they try to guide us. They try to guide us what they have learned from their life. ठीक है. They try to teach us what they have learned throughout their life. Okay. So yes, I think this is important to be a good citizen and to be a mannerful person. These things should be taught to the children. Yes, from this side, beta. I think Karthik is only raising hand. So Kasak, be ready with the second question. I will ask you in recess. Yes, Karthik. I think. Yes, unmute beta.
Yes, ma'am. I think it is very much important that our parents teach us good manners and how to behave in public, because our parents are well wishers, so they teach us good manners. They are well experienced as they have lived their life very beautifully. So they teach us what they have learned from their life, as it will help us to live our life in a good way and to be a sophisticated person in our life.
Exactly. Yes.
And ma'am, I want to add one more line.
Yes.
And that it is the correct way to live our life.
Yes, exactly. So yes, I also agree that these things are very important. चलो last two lines को अगर छोड़ भी दे, तो otherwise these things are very important because I have personally seen so many students dragging their feet, ठीक है, picking their nose and pointing out at others on the road, ठीक है. I have seen so many children personally, and I think so they should be taught how to behave and how to be mannerful, ठीक है. I think this is very important. So anyone else who want to speak is, I think, Savya. Then next question, please. Others, please think about next question. It's very funny. 5 instructions अब आपने grown-ups को देनी है, ठीक है? Yes, Savya, please tell us answer.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I think that grown-ups say the kind of things mentioned in the poem. It is true because they teach us good manners to make our good impression. Because with the good impression, we can do anything. They don't want their children to commit mistakes. They are too much experienced. They're too much experienced, so they teach us how to deal with the situation. They try to guide us how to behave in future.
Okay, fine. Okay. So now the fifth question is well done, beta. So fourth question is write any 5 instructions that you want to give to. अगर आपको मौका मिले अपने parents को instructions देने का, orders देने का, so which good manners you would like to teach your parents or grown-ups जो आपसे बड़े हैं. चलो parents रहने दो. I think हमारी इतनी हिम्मत नहीं होती. Grown-ups जो आपसे elder हैं. So one by one. First instruction. Huh? Encourage their children, don't discourage. Okay, well done. Next one, Jyotin. Don't एल्डर्स करते हैं डिस्टर्ब? बेटा आपको पेरेंट्स को इंस्ट्रक्शंस देनी है, बच्चों ने ऑर्डर देना है पेरेंट्स को. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. यू हैव टू राइट सम इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉर योर पेरेंट्स. जैसे अर्गुन ने कहा कि अपने यू शुड encourage your children, not discourage them. Yes.
Don't abuse anyone.
Okay, fine. If you think that elders abuse the children, okay, don't abuse the children. Yes. Okay, don't repeat the good manners again and again. Okay, we can listen just once. Okay, don't repeat the things again and again. Okay.
No physical punishments. No physical punishments to be given to the children.
Okay, fine. No corporal punishment should be given. You should not beat your children. Jotin. Not to complain any. Okay, fine. सही है. So not to give corporal punishment to the children. उनको बीट नहीं करना, मुंह से जो मर्जी कह दो. Okay. कसक. Any one instruction for your grown up बेटा, जो आप अपने पेरेंट्स को, अपने बड़े लोगों को सिखाना चाहते हो. एनीथिंग एनीथिंग. Okay, don't speak loudly to their younger ones. Okay, don't speak loudly. Yes, Ananya, anything in your mind? Then the students who are raising their hands, please one by one in this order only. Karthik,
Yes,
Arjun, Saksham, Vaibhav. In this order. Bache, in this order, please. Please follow the order. Karthik, Arjun, Saksham, Samarth, Vaibhav, Chitesh. One by one.
Ma'am,
Yes,
first
ma'am.
instruction is that you should not. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, yes, yes. You're audible.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that you should not.
Should not. Okay, Arjun. Karthik, you can check your connection, then I'll listen to you.
Okay.
Yes, Arjun.
Ma'am, if there is a problem made by us, then instead of beating, they should help us.
Okay, instead of beating your children, try to help them. Okay, okay, instead of beating children, try to help them. Saksham and Samarth.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, don't say whole day to but just study. Physical activities and play with friends is also important.
Okay, fine. I think very nice advice. Physical activities and games are also very important. Don't just insist us to study only. Okay. आपका यही point था? Okay. Yes. Yes, Raja. Okay, fine. So next is Vaibhav.
Ma'am, don't use mobile while eating.
Don't use mobile while eating. अच्छा. So if you think that आपके जो grown ups हैं वो mobile use करते हैं कुछ खाते हुए, then you can write down that don't use mobile while eating. Okay. So they are giving you instructions and you are giving them instructions. So their competition, I think one competition is going on. So Chitesh. और आपके मन में please let me know. Yes, Chitesh.
Not to complain teachers about study.
अच्छा अच्छा, very nice. जरूर मानेंगे बेटा वो. Not to complain teachers. Okay. Whatever you do, आप notebooks भी मत बनाओ, आप कुछ भी मत करो. So one instruction he wants to give that don't complain teachers. Okay. So next is IPSA, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first one is give some extra time for playing. They should scold less whenever we commit a mistake. Don't be angry at small things. Don't repeat things again and again. And ma'am, last thing is for my elder brother. Don't be in a rude mood all the time.
Okay, okay, fine. So please show this recording to your brother in the evening. I hope he will listen to you. So don't be in angry mood all the time, ठीक है? So don't be irritated all the time. Don't beat your children. Encourage your children and let us please give us time to play also. Okay. So yes, Jyotin and Karthik. First Jyotin, then Karthik. Yes. Sir. Don't force. Okay, don't force us to do anything or to do work. Okay, yes, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. You should not scold us in public. Rather, you should, if we do a mistake, you should scold us in alone or tell
Yes,
us
exactly.
politely.
This is a genuine point. I also feel that you should scold the children privately, not in public, because their self confidence है ना just goes down. उनको confidence बिल्कुल खत्म हो जाता है. So we need to scold the child privately, not in public. Yes, Kasak done. Okay, last is Jasmeet. Jasmeet. So this is the end of the chapter Shivi poem. Yes, Jasmeet.
Ma'am, spend some time with us.
Exactly. So this is the valid point. Spend some time with their children. ठीक है. अगर आपको funny jokes बनाने पड़ रहे हैं उनकी attention attract करने के लिए, that means they are not spending time with you. So you can give them instruction to spend some quality time with you. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा अच्छा time आपके साथ spend करो. Fine. So I think all got turn except Savya. तो आज मैंने सोचा था मैं आपको एक writing skill start कराऊंगी, but I think so we will not be able to do so. So Savya, yes बेटा. आ जाओ
Yes,
बेटा.
ma'am. And don't tell good manners again and again. We can listen and learn. Don't be in rude mood all the time.
Okay. दो लिखे हैं आपने. Okay, speak up. Okay, Savya, yes बेटा. Just give me 1 minute. Yes, Kasu. Come here. Okay. मैंने ये question दिया था. I think I gave you second one. Second. Okay, you have to explain last 2 lines and then tell us. Okay, ठीक है. थोड़ा और explain करना है, ठीक है इसको. आदगुन, सब कुछ खत्म.
Ma'am, I have.
You people are free. आराम से बैठ जाओ, relax करो, ठीक है.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have one more point to add. Ma'am, they should not fully close our junk food. We can eat 1 day in a week.
1 day in a week is too much. 1 day in a month is fine. This is unreasonable.
Okay.
So once a month is fine. Once a week, so it's too much. अब 1 day a week हो गया तो मुझे पता है तीनों टाइम खाओगे. So I think once in a month is fine.
Ma'am, which question we have to do in here?
बेटा in fair, I think
Yes, ma'am.
first question आप रहने दो. उसको books पे लिख लो. Second, third, fourth in notebook. Second, third and fourth in notebook. And first question write in books only. क्योंकि ये 1 line answers है first question. So first in books only and second, third, fourth in fair notebook. Okay.